Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Buick Encore with a dead key fob. First, locate the small release button on your key fob and slide out the hidden physical key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, ensure all doors are closed properly before proceeding to the next step. This manual entry method is crucial when your fob battery is completely drained. Now, look for the designated key fob slot, usually found in the center console or near the cup holders. Insert your dead key fob into this slot. This allows the car to read the fob's transponder chip even without battery power. With the fob securely in place, firmly press the brake pedal, then push the engine start button. Your Buick Encore should now start. If your Buick Encore doesn't start immediately, don't panic. First, double-check that your vehicle is securely in park or neutral. Sometimes, a low car battery can also prevent starting, so ensure that's not the issue. Remember, this method bypasses the fob's battery, but not the car's. Once started, it's wise to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible to avoid future inconvenience. To recap, starting your Buick Encore with a dead key fob involves using the physical key, placing the fob in its special slot, and then pressing the start button. It's a handy trick for emergencies. For future convenience, consider keeping a spare key fob and always replace your fob battery when it gets low. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.